from Argentina to the art of living Bangalore. 3 days of breathing and meditation, permaculture and Gaushala. These definitely were a new world of experiences and discoveries for this group of agricultural students and teachers. They went home with a smile and with a bunch of learnings from India.
I really enjoyed these 3 days here in the ashram in Bangalore. I am really thankful to the teacher, to the course.
And we've learned many things, many important things for our lives. So thank you very much.
My name is Tiago and I really enjoy this experience. I never did before any activity like this, and in the future came back here as an instructor.
That we share with you and the space is an amazing transformation of the place.
A really good session, very different than what we are doing in the school. Very kind with the nature, and I really like it.